Today I'm going Kala Ghoda Festival. Hey guys, what's up? And so today I am going Kala Ghoda Festival. It's one of the biggest festival of Mumbai. And in this festival, they showcase all the artistic stuff. So I'll show it to you. And yes, come along with me. So here I'm going with my brother. I'll drop him somewhere in the middle because he is going for some gig. So I think I may go later on, but I'm not so interested in going to any gig at this moment. But I'll definitely be going to the Kala Ghoda Festival, and let's see if there's some event. I will definitely enjoy those events and participate in that. So fast I spoke, bro. Rapper. Definitely someday I'll try for it. Okay, see you in the Kala Ghoda Fest.
Bye. Thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried.
So this is the zoo of Mumbai. It's located in Baikhala. Someday I will definitely come here because they have now bought penguins, and they say that the setup is really very pretty. So I really want to see penguins. Let's see when I'll visit here. But when I'll visit, I'll definitely bring you guys along with me.
'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
Finally, I have reached Kala Ghoda and I'm walking towards it. So like we had to park our bikes backward, and now I'm walking towards the front side of it, and I'm going to enter in. Yoo-hoo.
But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
So this is something, the art which they have created with all the ropes. It's like the wires, and they have used different colors to create this particular monument, or whatever you can say, a structure maybe. So here they have given the entire definition. This is the structure which they have made, creating sutli. With the sutli, you may be knowing those tying and all. Sorry, it's okay. So this is a structure in which there's a tree, a female and a male. They are tied together. It creates a different kind of a story.
Time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it.
So after that, we went to McDonald's to eat something as we were very hungry. And post that, we even went to Marine Drive, where I actually couldn't vlog because it was too dark. And ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ तो मैं भूल ही गई थी व्लॉग करने के लिए बिकॉज मरीन्स में बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था एंड इट वॉज नाइट एज वेल सो आई डिडंट व्लॉग देयर एंड आई एम एंडिंग द व्लॉग टुडे. I hope you got a gist of how the Kala Ghoda festival is celebrated here. And if you really like this video, please do like my video, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.